Hi everyone, good evening. I am Analea J. Isalonga, a college student from NUST, and my section is BSIT 2L. So for tonight's topic, we're going to talk about why is that studying Rizal is vital, drawing connection between his life, works, and Filipino identity. And after that, we're going to know what are the key reasons for studying Rizal, historical impact, moral guidance, national identity. So let's start. Hi guys, welcome back to our lesson. We're going to discuss the introduction to Rizal works. Jose Rizal, a Filipino nationalist, intellectual, and revolutionary, is regarded as one of the most influential figures in the Philippine history. His works, particularly his novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, played a pivotal role in awakening the Filipino people's consciousness and fueling the fight for independence from Spanish colonial rule. Rizal's writing not only critiqued the social, political, and religious condition of his time, but also promoted the ideals of freedom, equality, and justice. Through these literary works, Rizal offered a vision of society where Filipinos could have achieved dignity and self-determination. So the next topic was main points. So for the main points, the first one was Rizal as a scholar and nationalist. Rizal was well educated, having studied medicine, philosophy, and various languages. His intellectual background shaped his views on the importance of education and reform for national progress. So, ayun, makita natin na si Rizal ay sobrang dami niya palang pinag-aralan. Like hindi kayang pag-aralan ng normal na tao yun, di ba? Siya ay well educated, nag-aral siya ng medicine, nag-aral din siya ng philosophy. So, paano pa yung mga, sabi din dyan, yung mga various languages, various means marami, di ba? Naisip nyon, sobrang dami niyang pinag-aralan. So, his intellectual background shaped his views on the importance of education and reform for national progress. The second one was Noli Me Tangere. Noli Me Tangere was published in 1887. Noli Me Tangere exposed the corruption, abuse, and oppression inflicted by Spanish colonialists and the clergy. The novel focuses on the struggle of Filipino citizens and the moral decay in the Philippine society under Spanish rule. El Filibusterismo, a sequel to Noli Me Tangere, El Filibusterismo, 1899, present a darker and more revolutionary tone. The novel delves into the consequences of unaddressed oppression and advocates for drastic changes in the system. So for the summary, Jose Rizal's literary works are a testament to his patriotism and commitment to social change. Through the Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, he critiqued the corrupt system that plagued the Philippines and called for reforms to uplift the Filipino people. His writings remain as an essential part of the Philippine literature and history, shaping the country's identity and inspiring future generations to fight for justice and equality. This introduction summarizes the core contribution of Rizal works touching on the historical and cultural significance.